very well. Turn around. Let me see you very well.
Papa, this dress is not showing everything.
Let me see it. Let me see. Let me see. Ah, everything is still. The backside, everything is still intact. Everything is still intact there. This is my. Who is that? Who just passed you there?
It's my little sister.
Your little sister. Call her. Let me see her.
Yeah, that one, she has anger issues.
She has anger issues.
She has serious anger issues. Papa, I like the thing that you just put on. I know it's customized for you only.
These ones are customized, meant for billionaires, not for little children. You can't find it you can't find this one in South Africa there.
Papa, there was a video that you were posting. You were dancing in that video. When you were turning like this, I saw the new haircut. Oh, you gave me fever. Fever. Oh, I don't know why, but I feel hot when it only comes when you are in the mood.
When you are in the mood of what?
Of pata pata.
You said?
When you are in the mood of pata pata.
Mood of
when
pata
pata.
What is pata pata?
Tough tough.
You said?
Tough tough.
Tough tough. What is tough tough?
Hey, Papa, I don't want to show with my hand.
Give me 360. Let me see backside very well. You talk too much. Go that side a little. Go that side a little.
Yeah?
Dress that side. Go that side a little.
You see now, my mom says my mom is saying it's Pastor Eddy. Now he wants 360 now. My mom.
You said?
My mom, she's saying, yo, you are jacks. Pastor Eddy wants 360 now. There's my mom standing there looking at me.
Oh, you see?
Let me give it.
See, 360 is good for him. I hope those little boys in South Africa, they don't disturb you there.
They can never do that.
When little boys come to you, tell them Papa secure you there in South Africa.
They can never do that, those little boys. They have nothing on you, Papa.
Tell them Papa secure you in South Africa. When those little boys come to disturb you, tell them Papa secure you there in South Africa. Don't allow them to touch you. You are meant for papas. You are for billionaires. You are meant for papas.
Pastor Eddy. So I'm yours now. I'm secure. I'm yours.
You said?
I'm yours.
You are secure in case I come to South Africa. I can see somebody to keep me company there. He said, I'm yours. You are secure there in South Africa.
I'm secured. I'm secured for you, right?
You are there in case I come to South Africa anytime. I need somebody to keep me company. I just put you on call. You said you are yours.
I will not say.
You say we pastors, when we go to what we need to put them in different countries. You know, we'll be in South Africa. We have one in US, one in Canada. So when I visit, I can I can't be wasting my time. When I go to Canada, when I go to South Africa now, I see one to call them. I just call you. Oh yeah, you come and keep me company. When I go to Canada, I call the one there in Canada. When I go to US, I call the one in US. So I need to secure them everywhere in the world. But I don't have time to waste. This life is too sweet to waste it. Secure one in any country I'm going to. Don't have that time to waste. Any country I'm going to, I secure one there. So I will secure you there in South Africa. You say? Why are you looking at me like that?
Like the problem is that I don't want to share you with anyone. I want to be yours alone.
You don't want to share me. I will share myself. I will share myself. You don't want to tell me. I will say you don't want to share me with anyone. Me, I will share myself, my daughter. I will share myself, okay? I will share myself.
But it's fine as long as I'm available for you. There's no problem.
Of course, I want to secure you there in South Africa. When I come to South Africa, you come there and keep Papa company. See? See, we pastors, when we travel, we need to keep them everywhere. We don't need to struggle there. We get there, we just hook up. You understand?
But Papa, the other thing is now, like when you secure me, I want you to secure me with Lobolo.
What is Lobolo?
Bride price.
As you secure you with bride price. Oh, you mean I should pay your bride price? Let me see you very well. Okay, turn around, turn around, turn around. Okay, go like this again.
Huh?
The bride price is how much?
My bride price, it's not expensive.
It's how much? Oh, my phone is almost switching off. Oh. My phone is almost switching off. Oh.
Yo, Papa, why did you not charge it?
I have like your job. The charger is far from here. Oh.
Ish. My bride price, it's 70,000 rands.
Okay, I will see what I can do. I can pay it and you will be there in South Africa.
My mom is telling me now. She says you can take you for 70,000 rand.
Okay, when I come to South Africa, I'll take that. Okay.
Papa, you just made my day. Oh, you just made my day.
I made your day. How?
You made my day.
How do I make your day? I made your day. How?
For the fact that you are gonna come here to pay a bride price, like you are coming here to pay a bride price, then I know that I'm a bride, I'm a wife for you at least.
That was good. Okay. When I come to South Africa very soon, we'll talk. You see, right now I'm going to the United States. I'm in Lagos now. I'm going to the United States. So when I come back, I will come to South Africa.
So, Papa, when you are going to the United States, there's also a woman that you secured there.
You said?
When you are going to the United States, there's also a woman that you secured there.
I should secure a man there. Okay, I should secure a man there. Look at your useless questions. You mean I should secure a man where I'm going to? The question you ask on social media, the way you behave. I should secure a man in the United States.
No, it's fine, Papa. I don't like people to see my things.
I secure any country I go, I secure issue. Any country I'm going to, one woman must be there for me. Any country,
just be an understanding
any country I'm going to, I secure issues for my day. When I get there, I don't need to stress myself. Oh, we keep me company. You have a good food. You have all it takes. You have a good food. You have all it takes. You have all it takes to be a pastor's wife. You see? Well, just you know why my wife. I need my wife to have a good backside. When she moving forward, also look at this pastor's wife. Have a good backside. Cause not a BBA backside, real backside. So when you are moving with pastor, you see when I'm with my Bible going to church, as we are going to church, I can easily see where to slap from the back. When you marry a woman without a backside, now there's nowhere to slap. When you are moving with a woman without the backside, nothing will keep it, nothing to touch.
Papa,
I'm a man. I can't be slapping bones.
The Nyash will be doing this to you. The Nyash will be doing this to you like this.
I'm a man. I can't be slapping bones. When a woman with a good backside is good. A woman with a good backside. Okay, let me hear from some people before I leave. Okay, I will talk to you later. Let me hear from 2 people before I leave. I want to leave now.
Okay, sharp, Papa. I'm going to bath now, ne?
You say sharp. What? You said what?
Sharp means okay. I mean okay, sharp. Sharp means it's fine.
Why you playing with me? A little girl like you telling me it's sharp.
Sharp means okay. Sharp means bye. Sharp means fine.
It's a little girl telling the pastor sharp. Oh, thank you, sir. Daddy, I'm leaving now. Says sharp.
It means yes. It's the same. It means thank you, sir. It's like this is sharp.
So you will tell a man like me, yeah, he's sharp. He said, oh, thank you, sir. I'm leaving now. Sir, I will see you later. He say he's sharp. I think you are talking to a small boy in the street, or you are talking to little boys.
I'm not talking to a small boy. I'm not talking to a little boy. I'm talking to my husband to be, my friend, my husband to be. You get me? We must be friends. We must communicate. Ish, you're driving me crazy. Pastor Sharp, ne?
Your husband to be. Yes, your husband to be. Yes, your husband to be. Yes, your husband to be. Where is he?
You, Papa, you are my husband to be. I care you coming to pay a bride price.
I'm your husband to be.
Are you not?
Oh, how many cars are you driving there?
I only have 2.
Oh, you have 2 cars. How many houses do you have there?
I have 1 house there in, it's far.
How many
And
companies? How many companies do you have there?
My dad has 1 company.
Oh, your dad have 1 company. He hands over the company to you.
Sorry?
Your dad hands over the company to you.
I have shares there.
Oh, shares there. You can sell the company.
Sorry?
Can you sell the company?
Can I what?
Can you sell the company?
Can I say it?
Sell it. Can you sell the company? Sell it at?
I can share. I can sell my shares.
Your shares. Okay, that's good. You send me message. We'll talk better.
Okay, Papa, and you?
You are a
Do you have a company?
You send me message. Don't ask me useless questions. Little girl like you asking me questions. Want me to expose myself? Get out from here. Want me to expose myself on social media? Well, I don't know these people I'm getting up here. I'm tired. I don't know the kind of people I see on my live stream.
Everything is fine. How about you? How is everything with you, sir?
I'm cool. Just relaxing. I'm cool.
Okay. I think I'm trying to change this awful thing I'm seeing on my face.
Oh, you put it. I missed it.
I'm so I still have my glasses on. Like these are medicated glasses. So I was telling you earlier. I was trying to talk about my product with you earlier, sir. If you don't have a solar in your house, I can call your office. I can come and install solar, 24 hours power supply. So we have good batteries. We have lithium batteries. We have tubular batteries. We have gel batteries. And then all our installation comes with a year warranty.
It's okay. This is not this is a pastor's speech. It's not a place for an advertisement. This is a pastor's speech.
Okay.
You have to do an advert here.
Okay. I also need you to pray for me for my business to move forward, to be bigger than it is. I need contracts from the federal government, or NDDC, that's the Niger Delta Development Commission. I'm also seeking for contracts there. The South East Development Commission as well. Come in, please. So I would need you to pray for me so God can.
Oh, what is that? Is that your husband?
No. That's my chef. She brought food for me to eat.
Oh, are you married?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet.
I was married. I was.
Oh, you were married before?
Not currently, rather.
Oh, before?
Yes, I was. Yes, I was married before.
Oh, you left the man?
Yeah, it didn't work, so we divorced.
Oh, you have a child for him?
Yes, I have a daughter. I have an 8-year-old daughter.
Oh, 8-year-old.
Yes.
That's good. You're welcome. Let me see you very well.
Pastor.
Let me see you very well. I'm not seeing you.
This is me. I don't know how to show myself again aside this way.
Oh, you are looking sweet. You are looking pretty.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Ever since you broke up with him, you never found another man, someone else?
I have, of course. I have. Come in. Can I have water, please? Oh, not that light. Just bring that big carton. Blue light. Bring one of it, the big carton. Those 2 cartons, the big ones. Open it and bring just one from it, okay? Thank you. Ever since I broke up with him, of course, I have tried. I've tried relationships with someone else, or I've tried a relationship with someone else rather. Yes, of course I have to. I'm still very young, and I need loving tender.
I can see you are still very young and looking sweet. You are still intact. Everything is still with you.
But we are still very good friends, though. He's quite a nice man. He's one of the best human beings I've been opportune to have close net relationship with. He's like one of the best men on earth aside my father.
One of the
He's quite
best
a
man
nice
on
man.
He's one of the best man on
Man.
earth, and he left his child with you.
Yeah, that's why he left the child, because he trusts me to look after her. So
Oh.
we are
He's one of the best
co-parenting.
one of the best man. Stop that! He's one of the best man on earth, and he left you with a child. He's one of the best man on earth.
He didn't leave me. I
Okay,
had
you
to
left
leave.
it. Oh, you leave it.
It was, I wouldn't say that I left him. It was an agreement that I needed to pursue other things. So that was what happened. I needed to, my goals changed. It was irreconcilable. We had irreconcilable differences. We couldn't agree in so many things. So he wasn't a bad person, to be honest. We just could not agree. You know, people that you did not, that it didn't happen with you and someone doesn't make the person a bad person. I mean, you can meet a woman who is such a nice woman, but you guys are not just compatible. You know that, it's possible. Somebody can be nice, but is not compatible with you. Or at the time, your goals differ. You want to pursue this while he doesn't want you to pursue it. Maybe he probably wants you to be a homemaker, what people generally call housewife, while you have a big goal where you want to make an impact, you want to do business, you want to remain in Nigeria. You don't want to leave the country. Some people want to live in the country. For me, I don't like living abroad. I've lived abroad. My daughter was born in America. We had to come back here because I love Nigeria. I just love the country. I love to travel, but I would love to reside in Nigeria. So he has different goals, and I had different goals as well. So we couldn't. I mean, I can't live my dreams and stay with him while he adjusts his dreams or pause his to be with me. So it's not fair. So we just both understood and decided, okay, the best thing is just for us to. If he needs to see my daughter, of course he will come and pick her up. If he needs to see our child, he'll come and pick her up. If we
Then
need
when
to
you
go
go there to
visit
show
him,
him, when you go to show him the child and say, "Oh, let's go into the room," you will not follow him.
no, he wouldn't tell me that
If he
because he
tells you,
knows I wouldn't. No, I won't. I would never do that.
you will never do
I
that. I
would
thought you
never
said
do
he's
that.
a nice man.
He's a very nice man, but I'm not sexually attracted to him anymore.
Oh, you
Somebody
cannot
can
give
be
a nice
nice, but
man.
you're not sexually attracted to them.
That's true.
He's quite a nice man. I won't lie, to be honest. But I'm not sexually attracted to him. If he wants women, if he can't get women, I can introduce him to nice friends that I have or anybody nice that I know online or anywhere. But no, not me.
Oh, you are the kind of woman. You are the kind of woman. Some of these men are looking for. You can be introducing women to your husband.
He's
You are
not my
the kind of
husband. We're divorced.
you are the kind of women these Nigerian men are look. Some of these Nigerian men are looking for as a wife. When you be at home, you can be bringing ladies to them.
No, I
You are
wouldn't.
just,
I'm very monogamous. I'm not polygamous. If I'm married to a man, it's just me and you. But if we're divorced, you have the right to be with someone else.
oh, I
Do you
thought you
understand
said
what I mean?
I thought you said you can be bringing women to your husband.
I will introduce him to someone if he wants. He's no longer my husband. We've been divorced. We've been divorced for close to 10 years.
Okay,
Oh,
no
sorry,
problem.
close
Okay.
to 7 years now, rather.
You say you want
Close
your
to 7
business.
years.
You want me to pray for your business.
Yes. Okay, so my business name is Hills Temple Solar. I have an Instagram page. We have TikTok page.
I said,
I
stop
have
that.
my stuff.
Are you making an advert here?
Okay, sir.
You say I should pray for you. This is a pastor's page, not a place for advert.
So I know now, but my pastor's page is where God will bless me and uplift me. I don't even have up to 1,000 followers on my personal page. So I would want some of them. And there's another thing. I'm also an
This is
actress.
my church. When you come to my church, I will pray for you there.
Oh, you want me to come?
Yes, you can visit my church.
Where's your church? I can come today.
You can come today.
Yes. Are you holding services today?
You can come today. My church is in Lekki there. You can come to Lekki there. I'm in phase 1 there.
Oh, that's nice. Where in Lekki? I reside in Lekki. I live in Lekki.
Okay. You visit my church in phase 1 there.
Okay, Lekki phase one. Okay. Would you text me there? What's the name of the church?
The name of my church is New Believer Ministry.
Oh, okay. So I would Google. I can use Google Map to locate it, right?
It's not on Google. I never put the name on Google. I don't want people to be coming there anyhow. I tell people that come to my church. I don't put the name on Google. The name, if anybody even put the name on Google, I will sue them. I don't want the name to be on Google or social media. It's my church. I will hide it for everybody. I will not. I don't dispose the address anyhow. It's not on Google.
Okay, so the address is not on Google.
When you are coming,
Okay, so
you
how
send the
do I
message.
locate it?
You send the message now. I will give you my WhatsApp number. When you are
Okay.
coming, I will direct you.
Okay, so there's another thing how were you able to bring me up and see my visual image? Like, I thought I had to get to 1,000 to be able to video live.
That's why I'm the only man who can do it on this full TikTok. Nobody can do it.
Oh
I'm the
my
only person.
God.
I'm the only person who can turn somebody who's not up to 1,000 will bring you up on a live stream. The full TikTok, nobody can do it. I'm the only person who do it.
I'm so amazed, Pastor. Oh my God. And you have a special gift. I can see through you, and I see that you've been chosen. You deserve where you're seated, to be honest. You actually deserve it. You actually deserve it. I'm honored to be on this platform, and it's a great privilege to be speaking to you live. Like, I'm talking to Pastor Eddy live. Like, I'm looking at Pastor Eddy and talking to him. Oh, Mama, I made it. Thank you so much, Pastor. Thank you for bringing me up. Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity to at least giving me this platform to at least showcase what I do. Thank you so very much. Thank you. And I'm looking forward to seeing you.
You send me a message so you can come to my church today.
Okay, sir. I will do that, sir. Have a beautiful day, okay?
You send me a message on TikTok here.
Okay, sir. I'll send you a message right away on TikTok.
Okay. Enjoy yourself and have a wonderful day.
Bye. Thank you.
God bless.
How do I go off?
Don't worry, I
Sir,
can
please,
bring
can
you
you bring me down?